Silence. What if I told you? Humans once drilled so deep into the earth that they reached a place we were never meant to hear, not see, not touch, but hear. Far above the Arctic Circle, in a frozen, abandoned land, there is a small metal cap in the ground. No warning signs, no fences, just a lid covering the deepest hole ever drilled by humans. The Kola Superdeep Borehole, over 12 kilometers deep. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. And we didn't stop because we reached the center of the Earth. We stopped because the Earth fought back. In 1970, scientists began drilling, not for oil, not for treasure, but to understand what lies beneath our feet. At first, everything was expected: rock, pressure, heat. But as the drill went deeper, the temperature rose faster than science predicted. Far faster. At depths where solid rock should exist, they found cracks. Water, liquid water, trapped underground for billions of years, as if the planet itself was alive. Then came the experiment that changed everything. Scientists lowered microphones deep into the hole to record seismic sounds. What came back was not silence, not random noise, but something that sounded like voices, screams, echoing from the depths. Officially, they called it geological noise, but those who heard it said it didn't sound natural. As drilling continued, the temperature reached nearly 180 degrees Celsius. Steel twisted, machines failed. The deeper they pushed, the more dangerous it became, as if the Earth was warning them. In 1989, after almost 20 years, the project was abandoned. The hole was sealed. The site was left behind. No one ever drilled that deep again. Today, the Kola Superdeep Borehole still exists. A thin opening into a world we cannot see, but once heard. We tried to explore the Earth's deepest secrets, and instead, it reminded us how small we really are. Some doors, once opened, should never be opened again.